Welcome to the life of luxury. Welcome to the life of luxury. I know you gon' love what you see. I know you gon' love what you see. Go ahead, hit subscribe. Go ahead, hit subscribe. Go ahead, hit that like. Go ahead, hit that like. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherie if you're new, and if you're true, welcome back, and thank you so much for joining me here once again. Either way, make sure that that subscribe button is pressed and that you are subscribed to my channel, and also make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Luxury for all of the fabulous updates. I have the handle somewhere on the screen here and also down below in the description box. So today what we're doing is a long-awaited and highly requested video. It's going to actually be all about my professional makeup artistry kit. So I get a lot of questions about what products I use, what I use for organization, what products do I use for certain types of looks, how do I travel with all of my stuff. There's so many different questions I get about like being a travel makeup artist. So I went ahead and did a basically all-inclusive video showing you how I organize, how I clean my kit, how I travel with all of my products, what products I like to use. So I really hope that you find some sort of value in it if you are a makeup artist and if you are an aspiring makeup artist. Even if you are a professional makeup artist, this could be helpful for you. My case and lots of the products that I've, not all, but lots of the products that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below. So make sure you go grab some of those products if you need to, and make sure you grab that kit or that case from Amazon because it's so handy. It has wheels on it. I'll give you a full tour of it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into the video.
Hey guys, what did you think? Let me know down below in the comment section below. I am so grateful for you guys for watching this video. I wish you guys the best of luck and many blessings and lots of clients for your makeup artistry journey. If you watched all the way to the end, then clearly you like what you see. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Comment below your favorite part of this video or your favorite product from this video. And definitely check out some of my older videos that are related to beauty. I'll have those playlists or that playlist here on the screen somewhere, and I'll also tag or link some of those other videos related to my makeup artistry journey down below. And thank you once again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.